today we're going to talk about the rules for multiplying and dividing integers, and it is probably one of the quickest lessons that we'll do all year, because really the only thing you need to know is that two negatives make a positive. That's it. Two negatives make a positive. Okay, you do the operations like normal. So for example, on number 1, 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, let's look at this one. We'll talk about the signs in a second. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24, right? The operations are normal. So now, two negatives make a positive. And what's cool is you can even like draw them and look, negative, negative, what did it make? A positive. Here, there's only one negative. So it's negative because it takes two negatives to make a positive, and I only have one. On number 3, how many negatives do I have? Just one. So my whole thing is negative. On number 4, I have two negatives. 1, 2. What did that make? A positive. Okay, when you have multiple numbers, like more than 2, you still just go left to right, do the operations. 3 times 2 is 6. Oh, I feel like we're out of focus. There we go. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. So look at how many negatives I have. I have 1, 2, 3. So look what happens. 1, 2, 3. What's my symbol going to be, or my sign? Negative. These two make a positive, right? Two negatives make that positive. But then I still have a negative left over, so it's negative. Okay, on this one, left to right, multiplication and division. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. How many negatives do I have? Just one, so negative 15. And then number 7, 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Positive or negative? What do you think? Negative. And then on this one down here, 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Negative, 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 negative. And what you probably figured out is when there's an odd number of negatives, the answer is negative, right? 1, 3, 1, 3. Anytime there's an odd number, it's going to be negative. When there was an even number, it made it positive.